Good morning. Good morning, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, dear
Good
children. Very energetic.
evening, ma'am.
Yes, good evening, dear. Have you all done last day's homework? Everybody done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So first we are going to discuss our homework answers. Okay? Okay, you don't want to take your workbook? Dear children, you don't want to take your workbook? Just see the answers. Okay? And I will be sending through WhatsApp. That time you can check your answers. Okay?
Yes. Yes.
Understood, my dear children?
Yes. Yes.
I'm going to mute you all. Okay?
Yes.
Now we can do our homework questions. Dear children, no need to take any books. Fold your hands and sit and listen. Still some audios are on, not muted.
Ma'am, what happened, ma'am?
Sorry?
Ma'am. The writing.
No need to write anything, dear. Please mute your audio, everybody. Some audios are not muted. Okay. Dear children, you don't want to write anything. Please pay attention. Last day's homework question was question number 16, C and D. Question number 16, C we can discuss first. It's 12, 24, then 36, dash, 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 dash. Okay. I want answer from Kailas Nath. Kailas Nath, please unmute. Please unmute. Okay.
Ma'am.
12, 24, 36. And this pattern is an increasing pattern or decreasing pattern here? Numbers.
Decreasing.
Sorry?
English.
The pattern is increasing because 24 is greater than 12 and 36 is greater than 24. So it's increasing. Okay. By how much it is increasing? Or what we want to add to 12 to get 24? And what do you want to add 24 with 24 to get 36? How you will find out?
24.
You have to subtract 24 minus 12.
12.
4 minus 2, what you will get here?
4 minus 2.
Take 4 fingers, close 2 fingers. Then 2. Then 2 minus 1?
1.
1. So how much we want to add with the 12 to get 24?
12.
12. So 12 plus 12 we got 24. 24 plus 12 we
24.
got 36. Then 36 plus 12 what we will get? 36 plus 12. How much we will get?
30 plus 12.
6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 how much?
6 plus 2.
Take 2 fingers. After 6.
8.
Yes. 3 plus 1. Take one finger. After 3.
4.
Yes. So what is the next term? 48. Then for getting next term, again you want to add 12 with the 48. 48 plus 12. I'll be asking to somebody else. Ahyan? Yes. Add 48 plus 12. 8 plus 2, what you will get here? Ahyan, 8 plus 2. 8 in mind. 2 in fingers. Add. Ahyan, can you hear me? Can you hear me, Ahyan? Say yes or no. Say yes or no. Louder, please. Yes. Then 8 plus 2, what you will get? 8 plus 2? 10. Yes. 8 plus 2, 10. In that, 0 here, 1 should carry to here. Then, why you muted? Please unmute. Ahyan, unmute. Now 4 plus 1, how much, Ahyan?
6.
4 plus 1, I am asking.
5.
5. 5 plus 1?
5.
5 plus 1?
6.
6. So next term is
6.
60. And Farzan, unmute. For getting next term, to get next term, you want to add 12 with a 60. 12 plus 60. 60 plus 2, what you will get?
Not clear. 2. 2.
What not clear? Farzan? Yes, 0 plus 2? 2. 6 plus 1?
7.
7. So we will get 72. Yes, good. Now, Adidev. Adidev. Please unmute Adidev. Adidev, please unmute. Can you hear me?
Yes.
To get next term, you have to add 72 plus
12.
which number you have to add?
12.
12. 72 plus
12.
12. So again, 72 plus 12. 2 plus 2? Adidev, 2 plus 2?
4. 4.
4. 7 plus 1?
8.
8. So what we got?
82.
Not 82. It's 84.
84.
Okay, these are the answers. Okay. Next, Abel Varghese should say answer. Abel Varghese, please unmute. Next question. It's 13, 26, 39. Again, we want to find out the next 4 terms. Abel, 13 plus what you will get? 26. How you will find out? 13. You have to subtract 26 minus 13. 26 minus 13, if you are subtracting, 6 minus 3, what you will get? 6 minus 3?
3.
Take 6 fingers, close 3 fingers, you will get 3. Minus 1?
1.
1. So we are adding, we have to add 13 plus 13, you have to, for getting 26. So 26 plus 13, 39. For getting next term, 39 plus 13. What we will get? 39 plus 13. Vishnu Manoj, add 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3?
12.
12. In that 12, you have to write 2 here and 1 should carry to here.
3.
3 plus 1? 3 plus 1? 4. 4 plus 1?
42.
5. Not 42, it's 52. So 52.
2.
Ashwath? To get next term, you have to add 52 plus 13. Again, you have to add 52 plus 13. Add 2 plus 3,
5.
5. 1,
5.
5 plus 1,
6.
6. So what is the answer?
65.
Yes, 65. Michelle,
Yes, ma'am.
first, keep your device properly. Keep your device properly. I can't see your face. Okay, now it's okay. To get next term, you want to add again 12 with a
30.
65. No, 30. 65 is the term, no? So, sorry, 13. 65 plus 30.
30.
So, add 5 plus 3.
8.
How many Michelles are there in this class? Only Michelle want to answer. Michelle,
Yes.
5 plus 3.
28.
Michelle. Michelle,
28.
5 plus 3. 8. 6 plus 1.
78.
And Paula is answering. Michelle, what happened? Huh? Wait, I am going to mute you all again. Now you can't. Abel, pay attention over here. Next, Ayan Mustafa. Ayan Mustafa.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
78 plus 13. To get next term, you have to add again 13. So, 8 plus 3, what you will get? Joseph, 8 plus 3, what do you get?
11.
11. From 11, we only want to write 1 over here. 1 should carry. Then, 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7. 8. Ashwad is saying answer. Dear, what happened? No answer from you. Very easy question. 1 plus 7? 8. 8 plus 1? 9. So the answer is 91. So these are the homework answers. I hope you all understood. Only the difference is that here we have to add a 2-digit number. Other all questions only 8, 7, 5, 1-digit number only we have to add to get next term. Here 2-digit number we have to add. Only that is the difference. Everything is same. Fire sit properly. Keep your pencil properly. Don't put in mouth. Now, dear children, we are going to discuss some patterns with the numbers and letters. Like 1A, 2B, 3C, like that. Okay? Now, we can see some patterns like that. Okay. 1A, 2B, 3C. What will come next? I want answer from Aditya. Sit straight. Unmute and say answer. What will come next, dear? 1A, 2B, 3C. What will come next?
4D.
Yes, 4D. Why? Because we can see the numbers first. Others, please mute your audios. Disturbances. Here, 1, 2, 3. What will come next? 5. Then 6. Here, A, B, C. Next, what will come? D. Then E. F. Yes, very good. Very good. Next, 10A, 20C, 30E. We can discuss this one. Amen.
40.
Other, please keep your audio muted. Everybody. Amen. Please unmute. Wait, dear. Wait. Amen. Please wait.
It's okay, ma'am.
You unmuted?
Yes.
Okay. Dear, 10A, 20C, 30E. How we will find out the next term?
40.
First, we can check the numbers. After that, we can fill the letters. Here, 10, 20, 30. What will come next, dear?
40.
Yes, very good. 40. After that? After 40? 10, 20, 30. Ah, yes, 50. After 40, 50. After that? After 50?
60.
Yes, 60. Then, now you can see the letters. A. After that, B is not there. C.
D. E.
A. After that, B is not there. C. After that, D is not there. E. Then what I want to write here?
G.
F is not there. G. Then, next what I want to write?
I.
G.
I.
H is not there. Yes. H is not there. I. Then after I,
K.
J is not there. K. Aditya, sit straight. Aditya, sit straight. Tired. Dear, next question 2. 2A, 4B, 6C. What will come next? Question goes to Muhammad Fadil. Unmute. Unmute. Unmute, dear. Wait. Now try to unmute. Please. 2A, 4B, 6C. So first we can fill the numbers. Okay.
I know.
Only Fadil answer I want to get from Fadil.
8.
Fadil, you can start. Fadil, can you hear me? Fadil.
8.
Yes, start. 2, 4, 6. What will come next year, Fadil? 8. After that?
10.
Only Fadil's sound I want to hear. After that, what will come?
12. 12.
Wait, Fadil, wait. Once I started, that's why I'm keeping you in muted mode. Fadil, please unmute. Fadil, please unmute. Muhammad Fadil, please unmute. Unmute, dear. Yes, you can unmute. Now, unmute. Vishal, mute your audio.
12.
Fadil, after 8, what will come? 12.
It's Ma'am.
A, B, C. What will come next, dear? Fadil, are you there?
D.
D. After that?
MD.
E, F.
E F.
Dear children, these are the patterns with the numbers and letters. Now we are going to see another patterns with the shapes. They are growing patterns. Why we call growing patterns? Because after each term or each step, the number of shapes is increasing. That's why we are calling it as growing pattern. Okay, I'll show you few examples. Very easy to complete. For example, one circle, two circle, three circle. It's very easy to complete. Very easy. I want answer from Savion. Savion, what I want to draw next? How many circles I want to draw? 1, 2, 3. 1 circle, 2 circle, 3 circle. How much circle I want to draw next? Savion, I answered properly. Savion, can you hear me? Wait. Savion, please unmute. Please unmute.
Ma'am, I unmuted.
Okay. Now see, I'll share the screen. Now one circle is there, two circle is there, three circle is there. Next, how many circles I want to draw? Paunami, sit there properly.
4.
How many circles?
4.
4 circles. Yes. 4 circles. Next, the next step, how many circles?
5.
Yes, 5 circles. Good. Very good, dear. Next, Paunami. Paunami, unmute. Okay. Next question, you have to say answer. Now I draw 2 stars. Next step, it's 4 stars. And next step, it is 6 stars. Paunami, for the next step, how many stars I want to draw? Paunami? 8. Ayan, close your book. Ayan Mustafa, close your book. Listen here. 2, 4, 6. Next, how many? 8 stars. How many stars we have to draw? 8. If I have to draw one more step, Clement, unmute. Clement, unmute.
Unmute.
Clement, please unmute. If I want to draw one more step, how many stars I want to draw? 2, 4, 6, 8. 2 stars, 4 stars, 6 stars, 8 stars. How much do I want to draw for the next? How much stars I want to draw? Clement, your voice is not clear to me, dear. Your voice is not clear to me. Juan, please unmute. Juan, please unmute. Sorry? Yes, 10 stars. Juan, have you understood?
Yes.
10 stars. Who said the answer?
Adidev.
Adidev. 2, 4, 6, 8. Then 10 stars. Okay. Next question I want to get answer from. Aryan, please unmute. Aryan, please unmute. Here, you can see one square and triangle. Then 2 square, 1 triangle. 3 square, 1 triangle. Dear, for the next step, how many triangles and how many squares I want to draw? Aryan?
One triangle,
Ah,
4 square.
yes, 1 triangle and 4 square. Very good, very good. 4 square. And Vihan? Vihan. Vihan, please unmute. Vihan, please unmute. Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, now unmute. Okay. Hey, now unmute. Again, you muted. Please unmute now. Okay. If I want to draw one more step, how many squares I want to draw?
5.
Ah, yes. 5 squares and 1 triangle. Yes. Dear children, these drawing patterns are very easy, right?
Yes.
Ah, very easy to feel. Yes?
Yes.
Yeah, these are the things I want to explain today. And one more thing is that, in the beginning of the chapter, we have discussed pattern we can see on the floor also. Isn't it?
Yeah.
If the tiling, you can see on the tiling, you can see beautiful patterns. Other than this floor, where all you can see, your house floor, where all you can see the tiling. Your noise is not at all clear to me, dear. Somebody want to say something, but your voice is... Anywhere else, have you seen the tiling?
Yes.
Where?
Tops.
Sorry?
Tops.
In this roof of the, some houses, roof of the houses, patterns will, tiling will be there. Then?
Yes. Truck.
Sorry?
Supermarkets.
On the floors of commonly we can say floors of every houses or buildings. Okay. Then, dear children, have you seen tiling in the front yard and backyard of your house? Many houses, not every house, many houses.
Yes.
Have you seen?
Yes.
Yes. Then some car parking areas for the some shopping mall and all. Car parking areas you can see tiling.
Yes.
Sorry.
Yes. We can see the tiling.
Sorry.
Tiling.
Yes, tiling only we are discussing. I'll show you a few examples of tiling. Okay, you can see now some beautiful tilings. Dear children, can you see the tiling?
Yes, ma'am.
Red tiling. Dear children, in this tiling, any gap is there? Anywhere is there to fill? No. Any overlap is there? On one tile, another tile like that. Any overlap is there?
No.
Another example I will show you.
Pen.
Dear children, please mute your audios and sit. Okay? Dear children, can you see the tiling?
Yes.
Very colorful tiling, isn't it?
Yes.
Is there any gap in this tiling?
No.
No. Colorful and no overlap also, isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
One more I will show you.
Wow.
These patterns are very beautiful to see. Why? It's all are arranged in a regular manner without any gap or overlap. Now I hope you can see another pattern, another tiling.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So dear children, in all these patterns, you can see some shapes,
Yes.
isn't it?
Yes.
Some shapes are repeating, isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
There will be no gap. Well, if
Yes.
gap is there, what will happen? If gap is there, what will happen?
It won't be a pattern.
No, on your floor tiling, on your floor, if some gaps are there between the tiles, what will happen when you are walking?
Yes, sir.
Ah, you will fall down. And if any
Yes.
overlap is there like this, on one tile, another tile like that, one overlap is there, what will
Fall
happen?
down. Fall.
Oh, yes, that time also you will fall down. So for a tiling, there won't be no gap or overlap, isn't it?
Yes.
And some shapes will be repeated. So dear children, tiling means covering a surface, okay, with flat shape like tiles. What is flat shapes? We have learned flat shapes, otherwise we
Yes.
call 2D shapes. Can anybody give us some examples of 2D shapes? Anyone? Those who know, raise your hand. Triangle, square, circle, all these are oval. All these, yes, these are flat shapes covering a surface with flat shape like tiles is without any gap or overlap is called tiling. Okay, covering a surface with a flat shape like tiles without any gap or overlap is called tiling. Have you understood, dear children?
Yes.
Yes. Once I will show you.
Presentation.
Wait, dear. Dear children, can you see the slide?
Yes.
What it is written?
Tiling.
Tiling. Yes, tiling. Tiling means what, dear children?
Covering a surface.
Covering a surface, flat shape like
Without any gaps or overlaps is called
tiles without any gaps or overlaps. Without any gaps or overlaps.
Overlap is called
Tiling means covering a surface with a flat shapes like tiles without any gaps or overlaps. Okay?
It's called
Dear children, I will send the notes through WhatsApp. You have to
Okay.
copy it down. Next day we'll be discussing more about tiling. Okay?
okay.
Thank you, my dear children. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next day. Bye.
Bye.